Next, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance group 1 less than 1 gram on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Judge. Violated condition number 5 that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Iris Nicole Gomez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed, but for the months of March, May, July, and August in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
The hearing begins with Judge Boyd questioning Iris Nicole Gomez about her probation violation. She admits she failed to report to her supervision officer for multiple months. Right here, the tension builds. Admitting true means the judge now has full power to sentence her up to 2 years in jail and a $10,000 fine. What would you do in her place? Fight it or admit it like she did?
True.
State.
Judge, for purposes of the MTR, we'd waive the remaining conditions.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Judge. We have an agreed recommendation. We'd ask the court to deny the motion to adjudicate, however, to alter and amend to include some new conditions on her probation. One of them is for her to submit UAs weekly for 60 days, as well as for her to complete and follow the TAP that she needs to do. Additionally, we'd like her to provide proof of employment and residence.
The prosecutor and defense present an agreement. Instead of sending Gomez to jail, they propose strict new conditions: weekly drug tests, proof of employment, anger management, and parenting classes. This is a dramatic turning point. Iris's future hangs on whether the judge accepts this softer path or decides she's out of chances.
Within 30 days and enroll in anger management or a parenting course within 10 days of this hearing. And Judge, that is the recommendation of probation as well.
All right, defense, is that the agreement?
It is the agreement. We would ask that the court allow us a hearing should the TAP evaluation come back and indicate inpatient treatment.
All right, Ms. Gomez, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? I know that you're going to get drug tested today. So what are the results?
I'm going to come out clean. I'm also on CPS, ma'am, so they're also drug testing me as well.
And are children with you?
Judge Boyd presses Iris directly. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? She replies confidently that she will come out clean, even reminding the judge she's already being tested by CPS. Viewers, do you believe her? Or is this confidence hiding something deeper?
No.
So any children, are there any minors, and I mean minors, I mean anyone under the age of 17 at your home at this point?
No, Your Honor.
So who lives with you?
Just my friend. I stay with my friend.
And who is your friend?
Jose Gonzalez?
And does Jose Gonzalez have any children?
No.
So there's no children at that home?
No, Your Honor.
Where did you two meet?
On Facebook. I've known him for more than 3 years now. So.
All right.
The judge digs into her living situation. Iris admits she's living with a man she met on Facebook, but insists there are no children in the home. The judge even jokes, "This isn't like Sister Wives, is it?" But the humor barely covers the seriousness. The court is questioning her stability, her honesty, and her choices.
This is what the court is going to do. I'm going to deny the motion, alter the main conditions. It's going to include the UA hotline, There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. Who's that person who's behind you? That's not Jose. That's a female. Who is she?
Yeah, that's his girlfriend.
All right, this is not like sister wives that's happening, is it?
No,
Okay.
no, he's just a friend.
So I can know. I'm trying to figure out why you're not doing well on probation, all right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anger management and parenting classes. If CPS is giving her those things and she completes it through CPS, that will be acceptable to the court. You're going to start your parenting classes within 10 days. Have you already started your parenting classes with CPS?
Yes, Your Honor. I had a class today at 10. And I had a visit with my daughter at 3, but I had to cancel because I'm in court right now. So.
All right. And there's to be CPS compliance. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court lays out new terms. Proof of employment in 30 days, no jobs involving minors, mandatory classes, and CPS compliance. Judge Boyd makes it crystal clear. These aren't just rules. They are lifelines for her to possibly regain custody of her child. Imagine being told that a single missed step could end your parental rights forever. Could you handle that pressure?
Who is your CPS attorney?
Ted Wood.
All right.
Okay.
This is
You need to let Ted Wood know that you're on probation.
This is my name.
Yes,
You
he's aware.
understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Judge.
No, yeah.
We can go off the record. Ms. Gomez, as you know, and I'm sure as your attorney told you, there's a small window for you to gain custody of your child back. Otherwise, your rights may be terminated forever. Who is your child staying with?
My mother. She just got her back from foster care. She was with a foster mom, but my mom just got her like yesterday. So she's been
All right,
placed with my
so
mom.
your mom wants to be a grandmother. She doesn't want to be a mother to her grandchild. So you need to get your act together. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also on the record, probation, I'm going to want field visits. And I'm going to want field visits with her. We're going to do random field visits 2 times per month. And if for any reason she misses that UA hotline, I want to know, and I want a motion to revoke file. So I'm going to help you, help yourself, and help you get your daughter back by.
Judge Boyd delivers the most emotional blow. There's a small window for you to gain custody of your child back. Otherwise, your rights may be terminated forever. The courtroom falls heavy. This is no longer just about probation. It's about the future of a family. The judge imposes random field visits and strict monitoring, hoping tough love can guide Iris toward change.
CR 4614, State versus Iris Gomez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garaham for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Gomez?
Yes, sir.
Is it Iris or Iris?
It's Iris.
Iris?
Iris in Spanish, but it's Iris.
All right. No, just tell me how to pronounce it. I will pronounce it the way it should be pronounced.
Iris, Your Honor.
All right, Iris. All right. So is there an application in this case?
No, Your
Honor.
There,
Right.
and Judge, just like, you know, there's a case that's a plea and there's also an MTR.
All right. So we're going to start with this case first.
Which is the case, Your Honor?
2024 CR 4614. You're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility, up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes,
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is to run concurrent with 2020 CR 073. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defenses at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no?
A second case unfolds. Iris now faces a felony for fraud, using her sister's identity. The punishment? 1 year in state jail. And worse, her sister had been wrongly arrested because of her actions. Think about that. Your own sister, being handcuffed at work because of something you did. Would your family ever forgive you?
Contest.
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its
Court
attachments.
will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I believe that my client has accepted responsibility. She understands what has transpired, and she agreed to go forward with the plea agreement along with the MTR for it to run concurrently for 1 year. And I believe that that's also going to be time for her to really have an introspector of herself and understand what can be changed once she's released from jail.
Have you truly reflected on the fact that you stole your sister's identity and your sister was minding her business, being a good sister at work, and the police came in and arrested her because you had been using her identity and they thought it was her?
Yes.
Have you internalized that?
Yes.
Have you apologized to her?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court.
Judge Boyd asks if she's truly apologized and internalized the damage. Iris says yes, but her brief answers make it unclear whether she grasps the full weight of her betrayal. The sentence is finalized. 1 year in jail, running alongside her probation case.
This proceeding in 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez is placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram, on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, and since it's a rather large MTR, we were going to go on the supplemental. And that's on violation of condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Iris Nicole Gomez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any
No
objection?
objections, Your Honor.
Would you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, sir.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual off the community supervision, sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility to run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614.
That is an understanding of the agreement.
The court revisits her probation violations, failing to report again. Her defense claims she's done a little, but really she's done almost nothing. Parenting classes remain unfinished. She explains she lost her sister during this time. The judge listens but stays firm. 18 months in state jail.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
She's done a little, Your Honor.
And what has she completed parenting classes?
No, Your Honor.
Judge, the only thing that was complete on this term was on this probation was her TAP evaluation.
I send her, it's over to my mom.
And there was a total credit of $424 for her assessed fines of $2,812.
So you haven't done anything on probation.
I have just lost my little sister around that time.
Mm-hmm.
So it was very hard.
Okay. All right. The court is finding violation condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And I'm so sorry. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And I'm going to also order, no residing with minors. All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
All right, so you can appeal, but you can't say I'm appealing because I don't think I should be on deferred adjudication. But you can appeal. You entered a plea of true to violation of condition number 5, and I've sentenced you. So you can appeal that entire plea of true, but not the fact that you were actually on probation. Do you understand? All right. All right, with regards to this, because this is a revocation and it's a criminal conviction now, felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to have to change your life big time. Otherwise, it's not going to end well for you. When you're released, do not go to your mom's house acting as though you're the parent to a child, because legally you're not the parent. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. So don't try to go over there and change her system or change her rules. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
In the final words, Judge Boyd doesn't hold back. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. Don't go to your mom's house acting like you're in charge. This crushing statement underlines the reality. Iris's mistakes have stripped her not just of freedom, but of the right to call herself a parent. The courtroom closes with the judge's stern warning. If she doesn't change, her future is sealed. This case shows the brutal reality of second chances. Iris Gomez was given opportunities, probation, parenting support, and drug monitoring, yet failed to meet the court's expectations. Judge Boyd balanced compassion with firm consequences, but in the end, the law demanded accountability. Cases like this remind us, the courtroom is not just about punishment, but about choices, family, and redemption. If you found this case as gripping as we did, let us know in the comments. Was Judge Boyd too harsh or exactly right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama and lessons from inside the justice system.